Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Ava Executive Visitor Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, arms, seat base in 3 parts, 2 sizes of Allen keys, 4 bolt caps, bolts. These are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 3 parts of the chrome base and assemble like this, making sure the 4 lugs are pointing inwards. Insert the 2 countersunk bolts and tighten them up using a Phillips screwdriver. Next, lay the seat back and seat pad on the floor like this and attach both arms. To make the next stage of assembly easier, do not fully tighten these bolts at this stage. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. With the arms fitted, swing the seat back around into position, locating the fixing plate over the 4 holes provided and secure with the 4 bolts. Next, attach the chrome base to the seat base with the 4 bolts provided. Once this stage is complete, you can tighten all bolts. Finally, push the bolt caps into the holes on the arms to finish. Please keep your Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they are tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it, your Ava Executive Visitor Chair from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.